Welcome to class 5 social studies. Today we are going to see the what are the concepts we learned in latitudes and longitudes lesson. Just it's a revision. So I am going to show you the mind map of this lesson, children. See, each lesson contains the mind map. So it is a simple form what the lesson teaches. Okay. So I am going to discuss you about what you have learnt in the this lesson, latitudes and longitudes. So first we saw Earth is spherical in shape. Okay, we have it rotates on its own axis, and then it has 2 points. One is North Pole and South Pole, children. So I showed it on the globe, North Pole and South Pole. Then we have the equator. It is the line which divides the Earth into 2 parts, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. So it divides Earth into 2 equal parts. It is also called as 0° latitude. Okay, from there only the first line of latitude starts. Okay, then area to the north is called northern hemisphere. Area to the south is called southern hemisphere. Then children, coming to latitudes are parallel. It's an imaginary horizontal lines. Okay, imaginary horizontal. This is horizontal lines. Then like that there are 181 parallel lines are there. That point only it is given here. There are 181 parallel lines are there, and the distance between the two lines is there, no? They are equal, located at equal distance. Now some important parallel lines are there. As we divide the Earth into horizontal lines, some important parallel lines are there. That is Tropic of Cancer, which runs at 23.5° north. Then tropic, it is in the above the equator, this Tropic of Cancer. Next one is Tropic of Capricorn. It is below the equator at an angle of 23.5° south. Then next one, you have the Arctic Circle. It is above the equator at an angle of 66.5° north. Then below the equator, you have the Antarctic Circle at 66.5° south. Okay, children, these are all important. So you can take your map and see. They would have noted down Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Next one, coming to longitudes or meridians, it is also an imaginary vertical lines. So from top to bottom or North Pole to South Pole, these lines are drawn. So there are 360 meridians are there, and all are of the same length. That also I showed you on the globe. So as we draw from, as the world is sphere in shape, so the lines drawn from north to south, all the lines are of the same length. So children, there is one topic is also there, the difference between latitudes and longitudes in your textbook. Read that properly. Meridians cut the equator at 90°, and 0° meridian is called the prime meridian, which is located at Greenwich near London. Then longitudes or meridians, one more important point. Parallels and meridians form a network called grid. So where this parallel lines and the vertical lines meet, it will form a grid. The point at which the latitude and the longitude cross each other is the location of the place, children. Okay, so go through this mind map, it will give you. So exercise and textual exercise and the question and answers I will send it through WhatsApp. So some of the important hard words I have noted down. So I will just read it for you. Note it down, children. Imaginary, parallels, latitudes, equator, hemisphere, polar, equidistant, meridians, international, grid, network, intersect, measurements, semicircles, axis. So again you learn if you don't know the meaning, take it from the dictionary and learn it, children. Okay, once again I repeat the words. Imaginary. Okay, it's all our imaginary. Okay, then parallels, latitudes, equator, hemisphere, polar, equidistant, meridians. Equidistance means equal distance. Okay, meridians, international, grid, network, intersect, measurements, semicircles, axis, children. So these keywords you note it down in your notebook. Okay, children, please write the textual exercise and question and answers in your notebook. Okay, I will give the notes. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.